So green plants are known as autotrophs. Why they are known as autotrophs? Because green plants can prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll by using the inorganic substances. Here now we will see how they prepare their own food. So there is a process that is known as photosynthesis. आप लोग बहुत बचपन से बहुत छोटी क्लासेस से फ्रॉम आई थिंक फ्रॉम क्लास 5 आप लोग पढ़ते आ रहे हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस के बारे में. तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट द फोटोसिंथेसिस. फिर से आज देख लेते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस को. सी फोटोसिंथेसिस, फोटो मीन्स लाइट and synthesis means to produce something. Here what happens, the plants utilizes the sunlight to produce their food. Means here plants utilizes the energy of sunlight to produce their food. So this is the process. Means in this process plants utilizes the sunlight to produce their food. और इसकी हम एक और डेफिनेशन लिख सकते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस की. इन दिस प्रोसेस मीन्स प्लांट्स prepare their own food, prepare their own food by using inorganic substances in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Right. So here we have another definition of photosynthesis also, that is plants prepare their own food by using inorganic substances. Inorganic substances यहाँ पर क्या होंगे? That will be CO2 and H2O. Right. So using inorganic substances, that is CO2 and H2O, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Right. So this is the process which is being performed by the plant. But how this process takes place and how plants obtain all these substances from the environment? So let's see. There are few conditions necessary for the process of photosynthesis. There are few. सब उसके पहले हम लोग देख लेते हैं what is the reaction involved in this. This is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. What it gives? It prepares food, that is C6H12O6, which is glucose plus 6O2, that is oxygen. So this is a balanced reaction of photosynthesis, and in exam all the time you need to write down this complete balanced reaction. आपको हमेशा ये balanced reaction लिखनी होती है. So here we can see that when the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of water, that is H2O, when they are combined in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, then what they produce? They produces the glucose, which is an organic substance, that is C6H12O6 and oxygen. Right? But actually this process not takes place in one step. ये एक स्टेप में नहीं होती है. There are 2 or 3 steps are involved in this. Here actually what happens? Here the hydrolysis of H2O or water takes place in the presence of sunlight. See here what happens is the breakdown of water takes place. So H plus O, H2 plus O. Then what happens? The process of photosynthesis takes place in various steps. In first step, what happens? The hydrolysis of water takes place. How hydrolysis means breakdown of water molecules takes place in the presence of sunlight. Then it gives hydrogen and oxygen. Then this hydrogen is utilized in the formation of glucose. How? In the next step, we can see that 6 CO2 plus 6 H2, then it forms glucose. Right? demonstrated from here. So this is how we get the next reaction. This is how we get the complete reaction of photosynthesis, in which we can see that H2O, CO2 is utilized in the formation or in the synthesis of glucose and oxygen. Right. Now we will see what are the conditions necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Conditions necessary for photosynthesis. The first condition which is necessary for photosynthesis, that is sunlight. Right. Second one is CO2. Third one is H2O. Fourth one is chlorophyll. Right. These are the main conditions which are necessary or which are required for the process of photosynthesis. So sunlight, from where plants get their sunlight, plants or the leaves, where the process of photosynthesis takes place, they get sunlight from the atmosphere directly. CO2, they get CO2 by means of stomata which are present on the lower surface of leaf. Now we will study about this in detail also, and how actually the gaseous. Then water is absorbed by the roots of the plants, and with the help of the xylem tissue or the transport tissue or the conducting tissue, xylem, which helps in the transportation of water from the roots to rest of the parts of the plant. Right. So here water is obtained or absorbed by the roots of the plant, and chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast, which is present in all the green parts of the plant. Normally it is present in the stem and leaves. So here we have seen these are the main conditions which are necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, then what is the site of photosynthesis? Now we will see what is the site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis means at which place photosynthesis takes place. कहाँ पर photosynthesis होती है? तो generally the green leaves are the site of photosynthesis, in which the chloroplast is present. Right here in the chloroplast, the process of photosynthesis takes place. So now we will see the structure of chloroplast. Actually it is the organelle, very important cell organelle, which is present only in the plant cell, which you have already studied in class 8th also. Right. So this is the circular organ, which is a double membranous structure, in which the disc-like structures are there. Disc-like structures just like this are there, and these disc-like structures are known as thylakoid. And there is a fluid present which is known as stroma. And here this is a double membranous structure, so this is known as outer membrane, and this is known as inner membrane. This is known as inner membrane, and this is the structure of chloroplast. So what we were talking about, the site of photosynthesis. So here actually in the process of photosynthesis, two type of reactions takes place. The first one is light reaction. Second one is dark reaction. So the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid. You need to keep in mind, कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको अपने माइंड में रखनी है, because these small points can be asked in the MCQs, right? Multiple choice questions में ये पूछे जाते हैं. So you need to keep in mind that the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid, while the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma. Right. So here we have seen what is the site of photosynthesis, that is green leaves. where the chloroplasts are present. So basically the chloroplasts at the site of the photosynthesis, this is the structure of this is the structure of chloroplasts in which the disc-like structures are present, which are known as thylakoid, while the matrix present, which is known as stroma. This is a double membranous structure, and here the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid, while the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma. Right? Now we will see that how the opening and closing of stomata takes place. So here we have seen that this is the structure of chloroplasts in which thylakoids are present, and inside the thylakoids the chlorophylls are present. Chlorophyll क्या होते हैं? Chlorophyll are the pigments which are required for the process of photosynthesis. यहाँ पर जो chlorophyll है, actually these chlorophyll absorb the light energy, the sunlight. They absorb the sunlight, and then the process of photosynthesis takes place, right? So where the chlorophylls are found? Chlorophylls are found inside the chloroplast, which are green pigment. Okay. Then अब ये बात हमारी हो गई कहाँ से हमें सनलाइट मिली. सनलाइट plants are getting from the atmosphere, and from where it is absorbed in the chloroplast by means of chlorophyll. So chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis. Then the next thing, that from where they obtain or they absorb the carbon dioxide. How they absorb the carbon dioxide? The second thing we are going to see that is the opening and closing of stomata. Opening and closing of stomata. Actually, as I told you earlier also, that stomata, which are the tiny pores, what they are? These are the tiny pores or opening which are present at the lower surface of the leaf. Right? अगर हम stomata की बात करते हैं तो what they are? These are the tiny pores which are present at the lower surface of the leaf. In most of the cases, in most of the leaves, stomata are present at the lower surface of the leaf to check the rate of transpiration. Okay, excessive transpiration को रोकने के लिए ये generally lower side में present होते हैं. Then now see the structure of stomata. Actually, the stomatas are the pores which are responsible for the gaseous exchange, for the exchange of gases. Means the carbon dioxide which is exhaled by animals, right? Then this carbon dioxide is obtained by green plants. And in the process of photosynthesis, they utilize this carbon dioxide to prepare their food, that is glucose. Then they release oxygen by use of this stomata, and then this oxygen is utilized by the human beings and other animals. Right? So now let's see the structure of stomata. Here, this is the structure. Structure of stomata in which these kidney beans like structure, ये जो आपको swollen structure दिख रहा है, that is known as guard cells, right? And these are the supportive cells or epidermal cells also we can call it. So here you can see that these are the supportive cells which are attached to the guard cells. You know what? Opening and closing of stomata, ये जो opening और closing होती है stomata की, it depends at the turgidity of the guard cells. टर्गिडिटी क्या होती है और फ्लैसिड स्टेज क्या होती है, ये आप लोग ऑलरेडी क्लास 9th में पढ़ चुके हैं. सो हियर दिस ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा डिपेंड्स ऑन द टर्गिडिटी ऑफ द गार्ड सेल. व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस means when the excess water from these supportive cells reaches to the guard cells, जब ये excess water यहाँ guard cells में पहुंचता है, at that time what happens, these guard cells swells up. तब क्या होती है, ये guard cells swell हो जाती है, turgid स्टेज में आ जाती हैं, राइट, दे बिकम्स टर्गिड इन नेचर। जब ये टर्गिड हो जाती हैं तो टर्गिड स्टेज में ये होने की वजह से स्वेल अप हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से ओपनिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा टेक्स प्लेस। इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, दैट स्टोमेटा ओपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द टर्गिडिटी ऑफ द गार्ड सेल्स, राइट। तो यहाँ पर जब ये ओपन होंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल release, or means the gases exchange will take place here, means they will release oxygen and obtain carbon dioxide. And when these guard cells loses the water, जब ये water को lose करती हैं, right, means the water goes from these guard cells to the supportive cells। ये यहाँ से guard cells से supportive cells में आती हैं, तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, ये cells guard cells flaccid हो जाती हैं। These guard cells becomes flaccid and at that time stomata closes। उस टाइम क्या होता है, stomata close हो जाते हैं। तो here you can see that the opening and the closing of the stomata depends on the turbidity of the guard cells। जब guard cells में पानी भर जाता है तब ये flaccid turgid हो जाती हैं, swell up हो जाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से stomata open हो जाते हैं। और जब गार्ड सेल पानी लूज करते हैं और वाटर लूज करते हैं तब ये फ्लैसिड हो जाते हैं और स्टोमेटा क्लोज हो जाते हैं। तो हेयर दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्टोमेटा एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो कभी कभी 5 नंबर के या फिर 5 मार्क्स में पूछ लिया जाता है कि व्हाट इज द फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड एक्सप्लेन द ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा। तो इन दैट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम कंप्लीटली एंड यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट, राइट। एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग what we are going to see, that is the factors affecting the photosynthesis। What we are going to see, that is the factors affecting photosynthesis, means ऐसे कौन कौन से factors हैं जो photosynthesis की रेट को और प्रोसेस को affect कर सकते हैं। तो these are light, carbon dioxide, water and temperature। what actually happens, चलिए देख लेते हैं। See, when we increase the light, the amount of light, right, so at the same time the rate of photosynthesis also increases। Rate of photosynthesis increases, but at a certain point अगर हम लाइट का अमाउंट को, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट को बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इंक्रीज होगा, बट एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इट विल बी कांस्टेंट। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम जितने अमाउंट की, जितनी ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी की लाइट देंगे उतने ही ज्यादा फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस होगी, ऐसा नहीं है। हाँ, एक सर्टेन पॉइंट तक ये इंक्रीज होती है, बट एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इट बिकम्स कांस्टेंट, राइट। एंड इन द सेम वे carbon dioxide, means if the rate of carbon dioxide increases, at the same time the rate of photosynthesis also increases, but at a certain point it becomes constant। यहाँ पर भी एक constant हो जाता है। जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का अमाउंट बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है तो वहां पर फोटोसिंथेसिस का रेट constant हो जाता है। In case of water, when the rate of, means when the supply of water decreases, right, when the supply of water decreases, then the rate of transpiration, means the rate of photosynthesis also decreases, right, rate of photosynthesis decreases, right। यहाँ पर जैसे ही वाटर का अमाउंट कम होता है तो फोटोसिंथेसिस का भी जो रेट है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है। एंड टेम्परेचर की बात अगर हम करते हैं तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने पर, मीन्स व्हेन वी इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर देन द रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इंक्रीजेस, but when there is a intensity of when there is a high amount of temperature, जब टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा हाई हो जाता है, at certain point the rate of photosynthesis decreases। So this is a little bit different case। बाकी के तीनों केसेस में आपने को देखा क्या हुआ, लाइट की इंटेंसिटी जब हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस भी इंक्रीज होता है, बट एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट्स इट बिकम्स कांस्टेंट, राइट। जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के अमाउंट को हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इंक्रीज होता है, बट एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इट बिकम्स कांस्टेंट। एंड वाटर की अवेलेबिलिटी जब डिक्रीज होती है तो उस टाइम रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस, बट टेम्परेचर के केस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है कि जब हम टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाते हैं तो रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस बढ़ता है, इंक्रीज होता है, बट जब एक पॉइंट पे आने पे जब टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है वहां पर रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस डिक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाता है. So these are the certain points which we have seen, means these are certain factors which affect the rate of, which may affect the rate of photosynthesis. So after this we will discuss a few important questions which are important for the board exams. So for next videos just subscribe to my channel, keep watching. Thank you.